You say toda, Aunt Jackie. Say thank you, Aunt Jackie.
Thank you, Aunt Jackie.
You say thank you. Say thank you, Aunt Jackie. Can you say thank you? Then. Yo, Danny, what are you doing? No, there is hers, it's specifically hers. It's her birthday present that you may use. Stop taking them from her. Say, Danny, say thank you. You say thank you? Yeah, Danny. Yeah, good girl. You say Aunt Jackie? What? Jackie! You say Jackie? Then can you say Jackie? Can you say Jackie? Yeah, okay, we tried. At least Jonathan knows how to say thank you. What, Anna? Are you on these?
רוצה לראות רגע? לא יכולה לשלוח לי גם של אבא לי כזה?
אתה יכול לבקש ממנה. זה באנגלית. Please send me a motorcycle. Jackie, send me a motorcycle like you gave to my son. I'm jealous and I want it because I'm like a little boy too. Boom! It fell and went boom! What? Boom like a cow? Cows don't say boom, they say moo.
No.
What no? What? No, you did not do a bath yesterday. Abba's gonna give you guys a bath. Say bye-bye, Aunt Jackie, Kobe, Bryson, Jet, and Corey. Can you guys say, ah, Danny! Well then, what are you doing? Do you know how many are on the floor already? Good God, child. Nanny, they're gonna break. Don't throw them on the floor. Say bye. Say bye bye, Aunt Jackie. Say bye bye. Can you say bye bye?
Bye bye, Jackie.
Bye bye, Aunt Jackie. Say bye bye, Corey.
Bye bye, Bryson.
Bye bye, Bryson.
Bye bye, Jackie.
And then bye bye, Colby. Bye bye, Jet. You say bye bye, Jet. Jet is the same age as you. You need to build rapport, kiddo. Say bye, Jet. Bye bye, Jet. Yeah, okay. Jonathan, you can say goodbye to Jet.
Bye, Jet.
Okay. Bye bye.